A new video has surfaced reportedly showing a Chinese-origin laser air defense weapon being used by Russian special forces in Ukraine. First released on Telegram by the account Military Informant, the footage has since spread across other social platforms, including X and VKontakte. It features what appears to be a mobile laser system operated by Russia's elite, Nomad, unit, known locally as Kochevnik. The video includes demonstrations of internal system operations, armor penetration testing, and footage of Ukrainian drones being destroyed mid-flight. Ukrainian sources claim the downed UAVs include a Shedrik recon drone, a Skywalker X-8, and a decoy drone named Distractor. The weapon in the footage resembles the Silent Hunter, a Chinese-made, fiber-optic laser designed for use in both stationary and mobile configurations. The Silent Hunter, developed by the Chinese Academy of Engineering Physics and marketed by Poly Technologies, has a reported output ranging between 10 and 100 kilowatts. Capable of damaging steel plates from nearly a kilometer away, it has radar tracking for up to 5 kilometers and optical targeting at shorter ranges. It can run for approximately 200 seconds continuously, with rapid activation and shutdown times. It's been used previously at major events like the 2016 G20 Summit in Hangzhou and the 2024 World Defense Show in Riyadh. The visual evidence shows possible engagements over 1.3 kilometers. Though the system was rumored to have been active in Ukraine since late 2024, this is the first visual documentation. The footage emerged just days before Ukraine launched its Spiderweb drone offensive, which reportedly inflicted massive losses on Russian airfields and aircraft, costing billions in damage. Some defense analysts suggest the system in use may not be the Silent Hunter but a variant from the Shen Nung laser family, specifically the Shen Nung 3000 or 5000. These versions have previously been exported to Iran and were spotted in use at a public Iranian military event attended by Supreme Leader Khamenei in late 2024. The Shen Nung series is known for dual operational modes, blinding drone sensors at long range and physically destroying them at shorter distances. Notably, the sensor array in the Russian footage matches the Shen Nung series more closely than the Silent Hunter. Despite repeated denials, China continues to be accused of assisting Russia militarily. In April 2025, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky claimed Chinese technicians were directly involved in weapons manufacturing within Russia. This accusation was firmly denied by China's foreign ministry, which maintains that Beijing remains neutral in the conflict. However, Ukraine's intelligence services allege that China is supplying sensitive components to Russia, including electronics, chemicals, and gunpowder, many of which are classed as dual-use goods. According to their data, about 80% of the electronics inside Russian drones originate from Chinese manufacturers. Similar findings were confirmed in a U.S. intelligence assessment noting that Chinese-made microelectronics are essential to Russia's cruise missile and aircraft production. Though no public records show direct laser weapon transfers from China to Russia, the new footage hints at either an export under a different name or a technological derivative supplied discreetly. China has a known practice of rebranding identical systems and offering them via various firms, seen in other weapons systems like the ASN-301 loitering drone. Russia has also been working on its own directed energy defense capabilities. Systems like the Peresvet and Zadira have been mentioned in state media, but their real-world performance remains largely speculative. In 2023, Russian outlet RIA Novosti reported that a domestic laser system had successfully downed several drones during testing. In early 2025, First Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov announced plans to incorporate laser technology into the Pantsir air defense system as part of modernization efforts. The deployment of a combat-capable laser system indicates a shift in military doctrine. Directed energy weapons were once seen as futuristic or impractical due to power and environmental limitations. However, faced with relentless Ukrainian drone swarms, Russian military thinkers now appear more open to these technologies. Experts highlight the advantage of lasers' low cost per shot, precision engagement, and ability to scale force without ammunition resupply, all of which are critical when intercepting large numbers of low-cost drones. China has been aggressively marketing these laser systems globally. At the DSA 2024 Defense Expo, Poly Technologies presented Silent Hunter models ranging from 10 to 30 kilowatts. These units can destroy UAVs within 4 kilometers and switch between targets in seconds. The system has been exported to Saudi Arabia, where at least 8 units are deployed alongside mobile radar platforms. In early 2024, one was reportedly used in Riyadh to intercept a drone attack by Houthi rebels, marking its first confirmed combat kill. The increasing use of Chinese laser weapons by allied states like Russia and Iran points to growing technological alignment between the three nations. Each faces escalating drone threats and seeks affordable, efficient countermeasures that don't rely on expensive interceptor munitions. The Ukraine conflict has effectively become a proving ground for such innovations, and analysts believe the lessons learned there may soon influence Chinese strategies for defending against U.S. drone saturation tactics, particularly around Taiwan. In July 2024, U.S. Admiral Samuel Papero stated that the Pentagon plans to make the Taiwan Strait an unmanned hellscape in the event of a Chinese invasion attempt. In response, China has pushed ahead with next-generation systems like the LW-30 and LW-60 lasers, coupled with advanced cooling tech to boost runtime. With the Ukraine battlefield evolving into a testing arena for next-gen warfare, the global military landscape is rapidly reshaping, laser by laser, drone by drone.